Okay, g'day all. Something different today. I've never seen anybody do this before, but this is something that's bothered me for ages. I use a lot of these rattle cans. I've got heaps of different colours, but my problem is that I might use one of these cans for years, just spraying small bits and pieces that I'm doing up in my shed. And as we all know, it says to hold the can upside down, spray for a few seconds. But if you're doing a lot of small jobs like what I've just explained, there's no way in the world that can is going to last with enough propellant to keep that paint coming out for you to keep cleaning that nozzle. So what I've come up with, take the lid off. Okay, just spray a little bit. So it's being used. I've come up with this idea. I take that off, put that upside down, grab my mineral turpentine. Now these little pipettes, you can get these on eBay. Look, you buy them in bulk, they're about 4 or 5 cents each. If you haven't got these off eBay, a syringe or something like that will do. I just get a couple of drops of terps, put it right in the top. Now you'll see when I put the air compressor nozzle, just a normal air compressor nozzle, you'll see a bit of blue paint come out. And I just do that maybe 2 or 3 times. And it's clean. So the terps come straight out. Just give that a bit of a wipe, and there you've got one clean nozzle. And what I do, just to let that terps dry out, I just put it in the lid and put the thing back on, and the lid's in there, ready to go next time. So that is so simple. I know everyone should have terps. You might not have these, but as I said, they're about 4 or 5 cents on eBay. You can buy them in bulk. Or if you haven't got that, just a syringe will do. You could even just drip it in to stick a bit of wood in there or a bit of plastic in there and just get a drop in there, because you only need that. You only need those couple of drops, and no more clogged paint nozzles. It's unreal. I use it. It doesn't matter what the head is, the smaller head than that. It all works. It cleans them all. Alright, well, I hope that can help somebody, because I know it helps me. And as always, appreciate you watching, and bye for now.